Good morning, students. I am Gurpreet Kaur, your physical education teacher. Today we will discuss the chapter planning in sports, tournaments. What is tournament? Tournament is that series of the sports in which teams finally wins and rest of the teams lose the matches. Tournament is a competition between the various teams playing a particular game according to the fixed schedule, and which teams the finally wins or lose the matches. It depends upon the various factors like the number of the participating teams, availability of the ground and equipment, number of days, funds for the raising the tournaments, etc. So many things are there. Next is the importance of tournaments. Tournaments plays a very important role in the field of physical education, but the players participating in the tournament with the great zeal, and the tournaments are not only the significant to the players but also to the coaches and physical education teachers. The importance of the tournaments is sources of recreation. It's a one of the source of the recreation, development of the sports skills, because the development of sports skills, the participation in tournaments not only the develop the technical skills of the sports but tactical skills also. Not technical, it's a tactical skills also. They acquires the efficiency in the skills, and thus they improve the games also, and the helps in the properizations of the sports, helps the selections of the good players can be selected easily by the observing their the performance in the tournament. And the so tournament is right way to select a good team of the players. And the development of the unity and peace, tournament is the one of the best means to the enhancing the international peace and unity. And the development of the social qualities, social qualities like the sympathy, corporations, brotherhoods, and the discipline, etc. are among the participations through the sports tournaments. So, the other values such as the fair play, you have to play with justice, honesty, respect for others, and also develop the through the sports tournaments. And the sources of free occasions don't hesitate to spend money, even ki they do not spend money na hesitate to spend money. Even world cups of the various games and sports, olympic games, tournaments is a good source of the recreation. People watch the olympic games, tournaments. So many tournaments are there, so people wants to watch. And there are so many sources are there. And the development of social qualities, national integrations, these are there. And next is the types of tournaments. Types of tournaments, there are the four main types of tournaments. One is the knockout, league tournament, combination and challenge tournament. And one is the four types there. And next is knockout tournament. Knockout tournament is teams once defeated is eliminated, winning teams continue. Uh, in knockout tournaments, now a teams once defeated get eliminated. Those are lose the match, they get back to your home. And it is a fast method to know about the winner teams in the tournament. And to it's a draw fixture. The names of the teams are written on the same of the size slip of the papers, and place the some place in the box and draw out to record it in the order drawn. And the each pair then plays in the order to the of the selections, and this is a continuous till the final winner is arrived at. So we can say that we must about the seeding and buys also given by. And next is different types of knockout tournaments as in a single knockout tournament and consolation tournaments. There are the two types are there. Okay, one is next is advantages of the knockout tournament. Advantages is this tournament is the less expensive and chance the standard of the sports requires the less time to the complete the tournaments. Minimum number of the officials are required. standard of the games improve as every team has to perform at the highest level to the remain in the competitions, every teams. And the next is the disadvantages. It's the chances of the eliminations are more. Long duration tournaments, spectators lose interest in the final match. So interest in the tournament is the lowest when sometimes good teams are eliminated. Fear of the defeats makes the even a good team feel the psychologically depressed. Okay. Next is the league tournament. League tournament is also called the round robin tournaments, league tournament. And in league tournaments all teams are treated as par. One team has to play with all other teams respectively of victory or defeat. Every team has to play once a time or twice a time. Every teams play with each other teams once or every teams. And there are the two types, single league tournament and double league tournaments. In single league tournaments every team plays with the every other teams once. And in double league tournaments every teams play with the every teams twice. They are twice time. Okay. Next is, this is a double league tournament. So every each team plays with the every other teams twice, and they provide the maximum opportunity to show the best performance. Teams plays the irrespective or victory or defeat also. And the advantages of the tournament is, um, it decided the real strong team as the winner, because one team has to face all other teams. In case one team loses by chance, that team gets chance in another match to cover up. Greater number of the matches are played by the teams. Every team gets the rank according to its ability, and the team needs not wait to know the winners of the ground. As in the knockout tournaments every team gets the equal chance to show their capabilities, because they have to play with all other teams. And the next is disadvantages. The tournaments require a lot of time to finish and to know the winner. In this method, no team is seeded or can be given any advantages to any strong or the outstanding team. It costs more, and it requires the more arrangements for the sports officials and teams that they get the defeats often will lose interest in the games, and that particular match becomes boring for the participation spectators and even for the officials also. And team losing rapidly get the psychologically stressed also. And next is combination tournament. Combination tournament is knockout tournament, knockout come knockout tournament, league come league tournament, knockout come league, league come knockout tournaments. uh, First is combination tournaments are conducted when the matches are to be played on the group basis. Basically when the matches are to be played on the group basis now, as the matter of the facts, the teams tournament depend upon the suitability of the activities, number of participating of the teams, and the areas and the distance from which they comes to participate. For example, in case of the national level competitions, it becomes the difficulty for all the states teams to reach at the one place for tournament. To avoid the such type of this difficulty, so at least the four zones divided to the four lots. And each zone has the availability of the time, and zone tournaments can be organized to the basis of the knockout or league basis. And after that the national level tournaments also can be conducted either the knockout or league tournaments basis. And one is the knockout come knockout tournament. In this type the tournaments, the total number of teams are divided into four equal zones, and the first of all the teams of the each zone plays on the knockout basis. In this basis a team becomes a winner from each zone, and the all the four winners teams again play their matches on the knockout basis. And the team that wins in the final becomes the winner of the inter-zonal tournament. Next is league cum league tournament. In this, the total number divided into the 4 zones, and each zone becomes the zonal winner, and it called zonal on the group basis. And this in these tournaments, after zonal winner again plays the matches on the league basis of the one team become the winner of the interzonal or group tournaments. And knockout cum league tournaments. Knockout cum league tournaments, all teams are divided into 4 parts. And next is the knockout. First you have to teams play their matches in the respective zones on the knockout basis, and the team becomes the winner from each zone, and winner again play their matches on the league basis. And in league cum league knockout tournaments, so same thing ki firstly we have to divide it into the 4 parts, and the first zonal level tournaments is the league basis, and then when they win the when they becomes 4 winners teams plays their matches on the knockout basis, and the one teams become the winner of the team. And challenge tournament, in this tournament there are the one contest or the type, 2 players can each side, and one player challenge the others, and the other players accept the challenge to game in which such tournaments are held, like chess, boxing, tennis tournaments, table tournaments. These are the challenge tournaments जो किसी भी प्लेयर ने चैलेंज देते हो, ठीक है. This is the tournaments. So thank you and have a nice day.